Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for Freelancer. Why email marketing for freelancers? Email marketing might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you're thinking of marketing your freelance services. But let's see why it might just become one of your most reliable platforms for making more sales. Builds authority to command higher rates. When you create an email marketing strategy as a freelancer, you're able to expand your business in a few new ways. For starters, you're able to appear more professional in the eyes of prospects, since you appear more like a brand yourself. This lets you command higher rates because you can present yourself as the go-to expert. Lets you promote other products. Various statistics reveal that 98% of your website's first-time visitors will leave without converting. As bad as this looks, it's far from a hopeless situation for website owners. That's because of one solution: retargeting. Retargeting is the process of contacting a website visitor who left without converting in a bid to bring them back. What are the advantages of retargeting? Email-based retargeting involves acquiring the email addresses of visitors who left your website to reach out to them in the future. Think of all the possibilities. You'll be able to generate more subscribers for your list, more high-quality leads, and even more sales. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.